Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky. Today we are going to talk about NEOs. What is NEO? NEO is nothing but near Earth object. Near Earth objects are asteroids or comets which are passing near to the Earth. Passing near to the Earth means its orbit is very close to the Earth. When it come near to the Earth, maybe they are not near to the Earth right now. Maybe in future its orbit is at some point they may encounter near to the Earth. So maybe they may pass near to the Earth. That's why this called near Earth objects. So why are we talking about this today? Near Earth objects are potentially hazardous to mankind. Why potentially hazardous? Because these orbits are very close to the Earth. Earth's gravity may pull them inside the Earth's orbit and they may eventually fall into the Earth's atmosphere, so that they may crash into the Earth and they may create big impact like blasting a state or a country, or in ocean it may create a big tsunami kind of things. That's why these asteroids or comets called potentially hazardous objects, and they will keep track of them and they will add them in NEO list. NASA maintains near Earth object list. So every time whenever NASA or any other space agencies found new asteroid which is potentially hazardous to mankind, they will keep track of it. In this video I am going to talk about 4 points. First one is recent asteroid encounter. Second one is how NASA tracked these asteroids. Third one, where can we find this information? And fourth one, in near future any asteroid which is passing by the Earth or near to the Earth, can we see that? These are the 4 points I am going to cover in this video. Let's talk about the first point. A recent asteroid which was made closest approach. NASA was published an article on April 29th, 2020 about an asteroid called 1998 OR2 which was safely fly past Earth this week. The same day this asteroid was past the Earth. The asteroid name is 1998 OR2 which was initially discovered in 1998 and which was tracking since 98. It's been 2 decades it's been tracking and estimating its orbit. So it also given some information about this asteroid. Its size is 1.5 miles and they have given the timings of the approach, closest approach, and some other information they have given. So the asteroid will be no longer closer than 3.9 million miles. So the asteroid is 3.9 million miles far from the Earth. So this was they also published a GIF image, and also they have given some information about this asteroid and so many things. And you can get more information about CNEOS site and some other websites if you want to check about it. And we'll talk about CNEOS in the next point, how NASA will find these objects and track them and publish them to the public. And let's see how NASA will track these asteroids.
How do we spot near-Earth asteroids? To start, survey telescopes scan the sky. When multiple pictures of the same spot show a speck that's moving, computers automatically check it against a database of known objects. If there's no match, it gets added to a list of objects to confirm. And if it looks like it'll pass very close to us, we give it top priority. Then it's time to call in reinforcements. More astronomers from NASA, other institutions, and even the amateur community submit additional observations. Each new data point helps refine the projected path, and this asteroid is going to fly right on by. All the info will be posted online, so it can continue to be tracked and monitored. Nice work, Planetary Defense Team. Keep watching the skies.
Now let's see where can we find this information, the information of all the asteroids, and how can we find upcoming approaches and all information about these asteroids. So there is a site called CNEOS. CNEOS is nothing but Center for Near Earth Object Studies. I'll give the link of this website in the description of this video. And here, when you open this website, you need to go to the close approaches and click on this and go to CNEOS. So you can find the list of objects here. It will by default filter near future 60 days, and it will filter with some astronomical unit and no H filter. So these are some of the objects they are displaying here. First one is the object name, second one is next closest approach or past recent closest approach, and next one is the distance. First one is compared with the distance from the moon and earth, it's called LD, lunar distance, and the second one is astronomical unit, it's the average distance from the earth to the sun. So they are comparing against these distances. And when you go to Hmag, is a magnitude, visibility. If more magnitude, it's less visible. And the last one is the estimated diameter, the size of the asteroid. So now we had talk about this object 1998 OR2, right? Let's see this one in this CNEOS site. So you need to filter with past 60 days. It was happened recently, last month. So 1998. So you can immediately get this object. It's 16 times far from the earth. The time and date has given April 29th, and the magnitude is -15. The object we can see with our eyes is below 6.5 magnitude. So the faintest objects a man can see is around magnitude of 6 and 6.5. So it's 15 magnitude means we cannot see with our eyes, you can only see with telescopes. And the last one is the diameter, 1.8 kilometers to 4 kilometers. So it's estimated diameter. So this is about this website. So you can find different filters, different distances, and H index also you can filter if you want. So you can find all the estimated objects here. Total around 2700 objects have been listed here. Let's talk about our fourth point. Any asteroid in near future approaching very close to the earth. There is an asteroid called Apophis which is approaching very close to the earth in 2029 April 13th. So the approach is very close. If you wanna check the distance, you can visit this website. I'll put this website link in the description. So if you go to CNEOS website and check about this one, so when you see it's 1/10 of the distance of the moon, is 10 times closer than the moon. Even you can see this asteroid approach with our eyes, and it's very close, very closer than some of our geostationary satellites. Anyone from the earth can see this and its approach. And I'm going to play a video now. It will show graphical representation of its approach and its flyby. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you like, and post your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Please subscribe to Geeky for more upcoming videos. Bye for now.